Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Program MBA, Department of MBA, Vistas, Semester 2, Subject Operations Management. Today, the topic for the presentation is on characteristics and need of PPC. Here, we need to understand what is this PPC, Production Planning and Control. Everyone knows that production is a continuous process of input into convert to output. Here, the production planning also talking about the how you are going to convert the input materials into output. Under that, what kind of managerial level of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, those kind of functions, how you are implementing for an effective production at your department. Here, we will be find out some kind of characteristics which is most suitable for to production as well as controlling of wastages at the organization. Here, the characteristics, first one, material functionality, machines and equipment, routing, loading and scheduling, dispatching and evaluation. The first one, material functionality. We know very well without an input material we cannot producing by a finished product. Here also we are going to take materials selection, material usage is one of the prime duty of the production and operation manager. So they need to take correct part of material by spending the money. Mostly the operation managers, what they will do, they will check sample of material. By satisfaction of the sample of material, then they will be spending money for buying more orders. Moreover, they will be collecting accurate data about to the supplier, their performance. So far, how many institutions or organizations they have provided the material. After checking up their complete background, then only they will give the order. And moreover, the production manager will give some sort of strict instruction to the suppliers, whoever is providing to them. Here, the kind of delivery related, cost related corrections of the quantity, quality and what are the standards are to be required at the organization, they need to provide by the materials, machines and equipment. Here, without interference of man and machines cannot be produced by any kind of production. Here also we are going to do in-depth analysis of before purchasing of the machines. Why? Because after purchasing a machinery, frequently whenever it is getting the problem, it is unnecessary expenditure for the management as well as unnecessarily we are going to spend lot of time for doing the repairs, replacement, delay of the work. All these things are we need to be avoided. So being a production manager, they should have a strong focus on equipment maintenance and as well as the upgradation is also to be one of the tasks for them. Moreover, the accounting for these factors like production incoming, processing, any kind of interruptions also to be noted by production manager, because in future whenever the problems comes, they will easy to identify, yes, this is the point where frequently we are getting the hiccups or by the problems. They don't want to conduct a detailed analysis. Basically, they will be directly focused on where frequently problems are coming. Those things are identified and they will do necessary changes. Next one, routing. Here, the routing is which is going to give or which is completely deals with raw materials. Raw materials like finish the product in the most efficient way. For that, they will be providing a complete route map. That means once material comes, where it has to go, where it has to be, do some kind of observations, modification, fluctuations or any kind of details are to be required, then definitely they will do. After completion of the routing, only the entire process which is going to be run very smoothly. Next one is dispatching. In this phase, after manufacturing of the entire product, people are talking about how we need to deliver the products to the end users. Relatively, preparation of the invoice. Now, the complete route map for where we are going to deliver, who is going to receive, their contact numbers, and where the activities are going to be begin, what kind of material we are going to deliver to them, quantity, quality, and what is the price, and including GST or separate, which is also to be mentioned in the dispatch summary. Relatively, the people will be delivering by the products to the concerns. And then last important function or the character is evaluation. After knowing about from the material stage to the dispatch stage, the each and every stage which is going to be happen within the four walls of the company. In the page. Next one is evaluation. From material stage to dispatch stage, each and everything which is going to be happen directly, indirectly at the production department or within the organization. Now, once we deliver the products to the various locations, maybe a customer or a buyer, they will try to give their feedback about to the product for necessary improvement or changes in the product. When we are doing necessary changes or modifications in the product design related, then definitely that will show a positive impact on increasing overall production efficiency. Next important topic, importance of production planning and control. The first important thing is increase production. Why we need to talk about all the time to increase the production? Day by day, the population was rapidly increasing. Relatively, sufficient products are not available in the all over the globe. Being a manufacturer, your basic need or importance is manufacturing of the product to satisfy the needs of the customers. After that only, you will talk about your sales volume or you will be able to talk about your product maximization, competitions. All these are going to be comes under another side of the coin. Second important thing is coordinating plant activities. Being an operation manager, you know very well the plant management is a challenging task because as a production manager, you will be getting help from various elite departments also. It may be a material department, inventory department, or by the machinery suppliers. Directly, indirectly, they are also involving in the production department. So, when you are coordinating each and every department, you should have a strong planning. How to start, what to do, and how are you going to complete by the entire process. It should be have a proper planning and executing mindset to be set by the operational manager, as well as he will pass the necessary information to the concerned in charges or by the supervisors to coordinate with the employees. For cost control, cost is one of the important element in the PPC. Why? Cost is when you are decrease, ultimately the sales volume will be showing a positive impact. When sales are increased, you need not worry about by your profits. Moreover, cost related also many tools and techniques can be implemented or followed by the companies. When the cost reduction was low or when the cost reduction techniques are implementing more effectively, then you are going to decide the best price in the market. Moreover, cost is all the time headache for the companies. They need to be focused about where it was incurring of normal losses, abnormal losses, any possibility of controlling, as well as where we can able to use by a new statistical techniques for minimization or effective calculation of the analysis can be due to minimizing of the cost factors. For rationalization of production activities. Being a production manager, they know very well by sustainability of the company, manufacturing of a single product cannot be sustained or cannot be possible for continuing in the long term. So the companies will do at-a-time manufacturing of a diversification of the products. A single company, in their name or logo, they are producing 4 or 5 products. When they are rationalizing their production activities, relatively each and every product related or process related, you need to appoint a separate managers. That need and the importance which is going to be encouraged by the production managers and as well as department level executives. Last one, consumers. We know very well the consumer is the king and to decide whether the product should be continue in the market or we have to be dropped. Here, customer also to decide about the quality, quantity of the products. If the customers are satisfied with your product, that is a good benefit for the institution. Thank you.